Okay, before we get going today, we need a fish ID. This pretty little guy here, or girl, as the case may be, done some research, cannot find a thing on it, don't know what it is. It was caught in the Tamar River, obviously by the title of today's video, around Kelso, in about 10 metres of water, at about, I don't know, 1 p.m. Who cares what time? But this is a fish. Can somebody please tell me what it is? Please leave a comment below, like and subscribe, and ring that bell. Or don't. Just, video now. Watch it.
It's back in stock.
I've got golden bash.
Yep, back in stock.
What we need for a morning at Kelso. Sun coming up over the hill. Oh, finger in the way. Well, we're out of Kelso. We're chasing some whiting today.
Not wrong, they hit it as soon as it hits the bottom, don't they?
They do. And I've caught a wrasse. So we might be a little bit weedy. There we are at the moment. Out with Callum again. Glorious Monday public holiday morning. Not that it really matters to either of us because we don't so much do public holidays anyway. But
Just Mr. Glorious sunshine.
well, I've got it on the
Oh, did you?
yeah, I've got it on the what do they call that thing? iPhone. Yeah, new technology. So,
Nice work.
and yeah, we'll see what we can pick up. We're looking for whiting. Maybe we're a bit weedy at the moment. Can't see the bottom, so can't really tell. And the channel marker, Mr. Matt Richards, put us onto a spot. Not really sure if I'm in the right spot, but we'll see what we come up with here this morning. It's,
Wrasse, hot
oh, he's got the net out. So, oh, now that is a whiting.
like what we're after.
That's more like it. So they're obviously here, but it's just not us catching them.
Well, it's good to see them out.
That's good,
Positive.
mate. Whoever you are, 22495. Thank you for making a starring show on my YouTube channel about your knowledge.
Cameo appearance.
Cameo appearance. If you would like some royalties, I earn fuck all. Bleep that out.
3/5 or 2/3 of not
Yeah,
much.
that's it. Callum, you've got a good splodge of
Sunscreen.
sunscreen right about here.
I'm known for my lacking ability to apply the stuff.
Up a little higher. There you go. Now you got it.
Thank you.
And let's catch some of them then. At least we've seen them caught.
A little ratty. Snap off before it comes up. Fighting, whatever it is.
I can see colour. It does look rather rassish.
It does look rather rassish, doesn't it?
It's very rassish.
It's Jurassic Park.
Jurassic.
Gone fish.
Oh my
Bad
god.
dad jokes are us.
Jurassic Park. Oh, I'm proud of
He's
you.
a nasty little chap, isn't he? Well, you a little wrasse? You're a wrasse. Oh no, 2 wrasse.
How about that?
That's quite random.
That's a weird fish.
Pardon?
What's that top one?
It's just a wrasse with a green and red, isn't it?
Wow. Look how green he is.
It's different. It's slightly different coloration by the look of it.
Yeah.
Feel free to have him.
I don't want the hook. Wow. Have a look at that.
Some nice markings on him.
Yeah.
Even around the eyes, look at that.
Check that out. Ah, how cool. Awesome.
Very nice. Chuck them back and stuff off.
Oh, really?
No?
No.
No.
What's that?
That's a crappy wrasse.
No, that's not a wrasse.
Good jacket.
That is
Good jacket.
a leather jacket. Wow.
Well, that's alright then.
Bugger me.
Well, he's too small to eat that one, but he's big like that last one.
Mhm.
I'll take photos.
That must be like because there's a male and a female, isn't there?
Yeah, cowfish have the more bright colours.
Yeah.
They go that weird blue and whatever, but
Yeah.
that's pretty cool. I actually caught
An
something
interesting
new.
little
Well, not new, but I've caught it
area where
before.
we are. How funky. Alright.
Well, that's nice.
Don't know how well you can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boats. One further out makes 9. We're about to make double figures. This must be where the fish are, because there's 10 boats in a row. So, let's go and see if it's true. Trolling up. Now either we're being complete sheep and just following the herd. There's so many boats up here. Oh, it is a masterful, tactful.
Tactical? Yeah.
Tactical. I thought you said tactful. Tactical stroke.
Tactical, that's the one. Yep.
Ooh. Proof will be in the pudding. Time will tell. What other cliche is going to come up with?
Tried and true.
Tried and true. Only the lonely. Song or a cliche? Whichever you prefer. Only the lonely. Dum 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 dum. Big bites. What are you gonna do? Yeah, probably a ray, I reckon. Yeah. We'll see if he's getting to the boat. What we were just talking about there a minute ago, actually. If you can get it to the boat, then it's fair game. Oh, I thought it was a gummy or something. Only in shallow water, so should hopefully be able to see. We've got some colour. What are we on to? Port Jackson. Is it? Oh no. Yeah, it's a ray. One of those stingerees.
Oh wow, that's beautiful.
Check it out. Well, we came for whiting, but we got this thing. It's fairly placid and fairly wrapped up. It does. It's a big, heavy weight and it's wrapped around like there. I'd like to get it off there if I can. It could just be a matter of chopping the line out. There we go. Now that's better. I said if you get it to the boat and you cut it off, then that counts. Okay.
You need to cut him off, or is he something we can lift up and crack?
Not really sure. Let's see how we can deal with him in the most. Oh, it's in there pretty well. In the most humane way possible. Yep, there we go. So, Southern Fiddler Ray, otherwise known as a banjo shark. That's what we're into. So, pretty cool. Pretty cool for a day's whiting fishing. Well, we haven't seen or heard or anything of a whiting, but we
heard a rumour of one.
A rumour?
That's about it, isn't it? A rumour of a whiting.
Yeah.
That old bloke did haul a couple aboard when we first started. They looked like something similar, a whiting or a salmon or something.
Well, it's silvery at least.
But that's about it.
Zoom in on the editing later, but
yeah.
Matt Richards, bum steer, mate. Bum steer. I reckon you bought those whiting that you sent through the other day and showed me pictures of.
Kiama
whiting. Yeah, 100%. 100%. Only thing out here are banjo sharks. Only here we got.
And it's not a cooter.
It's not a cooter, it's a wrasse.
Oh, I thought it was what Gurnard said.
A wrasse on a lure. Oh, I don't think I've done that before.
There you go.
I mean, that's not really a great achievement. in the grand schemes of things.
And you've got to get back off again, but I'm just surprised
I know.
that they're hunting up this far up.
Yeah, it wasn't very far down.
I thought they sat in the reeds at
Mm.
the bottom, but I might be getting 2 or 3 metres down before they're taking a boat.
Vicious, hungry wrasse. And it's on. Yep, and it's heavy.
Well done, sir, well done.
Oh, we got this time. Something heavy again. I reckon I can see a bit of colour down there.
Uh-huh.
It does. It's heavy.
Oh, I see colour. I see colour. It's big, whatever it is.
Yeah.
It's chunky. Looks like there's 2 of them.
Maybe something following it.
Yeah, there's another one following.
Yeah.
That's a dogfish or a Port Jackson or something.
That's Port Jackson.
Lovely looking critter.
There have been a couple of nice big species on the big lines. Pretty docile, we will say. It's decent size.
60, 70 centimetres, something like that.
Ah, there we go. Now's always the problem, getting them off hook. Catching today, Callum. Like, they're just weird and wild and wonderful colours.
Is that a wrasse still? It's
Yeah,
got different fins on it.
Not really sure. Well,
It's not as toothy.
that looks like, actually what? That looks like one of those weed fish that Patrick caught us his first
Yeah, it's
fish
beautiful.
that he ever caught. But
I want to take a photo of his colours, but
yeah, he's
there's
like
different fins and
really.
different teeth, so I don't think it's a
I mean,
wrasse.
obviously over some weedy sort of stuff, but well, I'd love to know what it is.
I'll look him up after.
How strange.
Clean snap of him would be nice.
So blue.
The colours are stunning, aren't they?
Wow. You coming toward the boat, going around the front of the boat, and under the anchor. Oh, I'd love to know. Quite sure this is the best way to fight this fish, but yeah, making some ground. It's only a run, which is you'll always have a lines up.
Yeah, just let him run when he wants to run, you reckon?
Yeah, don't worry out.
Right on the cover of going fishing the roots now. Oops, we got him off. We're going for a bit. He's nearly done.
Coming up, coming around your way.
He's got to go. And he's going to be around behind us. We've got all the stuff that they've seen.
You know all that effort I just put in.
Just had a bit of a feel on poking a bit of that moment, I think.
Oh, that moved.
But close enough, I've got the anchor in the head.
No, you're good. Just want to see what it is. Give me colour. The colour. Saw the boat. And we're back on. I don't want to give him any more though.
Sorry.
Oh, broken off.
Oh no. I'm devastated. Oh, that's cool.
I'm not surprised.
That's a pair, whatever.
Yeah, it's a big ray, I reckon. That's like, yeah. Broke a line. No, it's busted the line. Yeah. Ah, bugger. Nah, definitely a big ray. There we go. Outgunned. Outgunned on 40-pound line. Oh. Okay, so what was supposed to be a waiting mission ended up like, yeah, hooking onto a heap of wrasse, a couple of bigger species, one which we didn't quite end up making it to the boat there at the end, but I reckon was a big ray. Yeah, no whiting, but otherwise
Lots of other fish.
Lots of other fish, some very pretty ones in amongst it. Still got to identify that.
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
What it might be.
And, you got your banjo shark?
Banjo shark, ding ding ding. That was a banjo impression, by the way.
Oh, thank you. Port Jackson, wasn't it?
Yeah, Port Jackson. Yeah, so all in all, you know,
Good day.
good day.
Perfect weather.
Lovely weather. And probably, you know, nothing to take home and eat or anything like that, but some interesting species caught from the mouth of the Tamar River.
Yep, a perfect autumn day.
Indeed it is.
Also summer, it's warm.
Summer, yeah.
Yeah.
You know, 27 odd degrees or something, but always good fun.
Magnificent.